Okay, so these are the ingredients. We'll have the very ripe banana, 2 eggs, a dash of cinnamon, well, baking powder to, rice, and then a little bit of self-raising flour, and the sugar-free coconut powder. Oh, sorry, coconut chocolate powder. So to add a little bit of sweet, since we will not add sugar in it. All right. So banana pancake coming right up. All right. So now let's mash the bananas. Don't mash it too much. So just like that. That's okay. So we like the one with the, with a texture. And then you add in some eggs. Here, 2 eggs, and then here you mix it. So eggs are known to be the binding agent for our pancake. So we like, those little, pieces. And then we add in some, flour, self-raising flour. Maybe about 3 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3. Then a pinch of the baking powder here. So yeah, we mix this. Actually, to make it more like healthier, a keto recipe, you don't have to add the flour, just the bananas and eggs and cinnamon, and then you're good to go. Yeah, but that's just 3 tablespoons, so that should be okay, right? Okay, so now let's add some, a bit of here. This is the sugar-free powder. So just 1 tablespoon, and then a drizzle of the cinnamon. Oops. Okay, since well, we can actually add some vanilla, but since I don't have vanilla, cinnamon will do. Okay, this is my own recipe. Wow. I hope it is a success. So yeah, so okay, I think we're good, and then I'll just heat up. So this is hope it's cooked. Oh yeah, perfect. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, just a few more minutes, and then this set is done, this batch. So it's judgment time. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Can you see the little, the banana still there? Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, here, look at that. The bananas are, still intact. Intact. good, not so sweet, so you can actually add honey in it. Yeah, so happy breakfast, guys. Let's have some pancakes, banana pancakes with cinnamon and the chocolate powder. Okay, have a lovely morning, guys. Bye.